Hey there, awesome humans! I'm so excited to share something incredible with you today. You know how building a family can feel super daunting? Well, I've got just the thing to help you out. It's called the LGBTQ Workbook, and it's a free resource that's going to make your journey to parenthood way less confusing. Okay, so this workbook is like your personal GPS for family building. It's a free, fillable PDF that breaks down the whole process into 8 categories. We're talking initial planning and counseling, choosing an egg donor, choosing a gestational surrogate, legal agreements, IVF and embryo creation, embryo transfer, pregnancy and ongoing support, and birth and legal finalization. Phew, that's a mouthful. But don't worry, the workbook makes it all manageable. And get this, it even covers the legal stuff to make sure you're all set when it comes to birth certificates. Don't stress if you can't fill it all out right away. That's totally normal. The point is to help you understand what's coming your way. Think of it as a roadmap for your awesome journey to parenthood. It's our gift to you because, let's face it, you deserve all the support you can get. And if you ever feel stuck, we're just a click or call away. You've got this, future parents. All right, my friends, that's the scoop on the LGBTQ Workbook. Remember, this journey is yours to enjoy. Take pride in each step you tackle, and don't let it stress you out. We're here to help you every step of the way. Now go forth and conquer that path to parenthood, you magnificent humans.